Hi everyone, my name is Chris and I'm from Need for Spread. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Almost $20,000 profit in 3 months trading with CryptoMaster Bot 2, and in today I will reach $20,000 in profit using this particular trading software, CryptoMaster Bot 2. So I will make a live trading session for this in order to reach this amount of profit. So stay here until the end of this video to see what's all about and if I will reach it. And of course, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. In this way you'll be notified every time I'm uploading new videos. So that being said, let's jump into the video. All right. Hi everyone. I hope everybody is fine in this beautiful January week. It's the end of January and February is coming. So I hope you are profitable on your trading journey. So in today's video, as I told you in the intro, I will make a live trading session using CryptoMaster Bot 2 in order to reach $20,000 in profits. As you can see here, my profits are $19,865 and the current balance is $9,865 because I already made a withdrawal of $10,000 using this trading software CryptoMaster Bot 2. I'll put a video somewhere here with the withdrawal in order to watch it. And for those of you who don't know what CryptoMaster Bot 2 is, CryptoMaster Bot 2, it is an automated trading software. That means it will automatically place the trade into your assigned broker account. As you can see, my broker, it is Investus, and let's have a look on Investus. Investus, you can go on their page, on their official page, and you will see that this is a trusted and a regulated broker. So CryptoMaster Bot 2, it is working only with regulated brokers, so you don't have to worry about this. Now, if you want to see this kind of results, all you have to do is to try CryptoMaster Bot 2, and you have a demo account when you can use it to see how it works. And if you decide to continue with it, you can choose one of these packages here of $250, $500 and $1,000. That means you can go on their website and you have a look what is the difference between novice, expert and master. I'll put a link below this video in the description area to their official website to have a look of it. And that's pretty much it. So as I told you, the only thing that you have to do in order to use this trading software, this trading app, you have to choose a signal here from this trading signals box here, and click on the signal, and it will automatically place the trade into your broker account. You don't have to worry about take profit, stop loss, lot volume. Everything will be set by the app. So long story short, let's go and let's make some trades for today, and I want to reach $20,000 in profits. I'm using this trading software for 3 months, I think. So $20,000 in 3 months, I think it is a good amount of money. Now all you have to do is to click here on the trading button and put it on. I will trade with $200 in today, and everything is set. I have here all assets. Here you have the assets that will provide signals, and here are some settings you have to be careful on it. If you decide to use the CryptoMaster Bot 2, send me an email at chrisbrag@gmail.com and I will send you the settings that I started with $250. This is my advice to you, to start with $250, see how it works for you, and then you grow your account. There's no need to start with $1,000, let's say. Anyways, I heard that there are some countries where the brokers are asking for $500 in order to be able to use the software. That's no problem. You can start with $500, but the minimum required is 250, and I encourage you to start with $250. All right, so let's choose some signals from here, and don't forget, before you start trading, this is the best part that I like on this trading software, that you are able to choose your asset. You are able to choose the signal, and you can double check if the signal it is good to use or not. You can go to investing.com website and go to the economic calendar, and from there you see where is a big volatility in the market by seeing the free star news over there. If there are free stars on any pair, then don't choose that pair. All right, so let's start with this. As you can see here, we have this with the red. You don't have to choose this one because they are expiring very soon. You can start here to choose signals with this green circle here. This one is expiring 5 minutes, so we can choose one of these. So let's start and choose Euro GBP. As you can see here, it's placed. Euro GBP is placed. GBP Canadian dollar, New Zealand dollar, US dollar, US dollar Canadian dollar, US dollar Swiss franc. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades. Let's choose another one. Swiss franc Japanese yen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades. So we have 6 trades. I think it's enough for the moment because it's a little bit late at the moment. I don't want to place too many trades. So you can start trading with this trading software from Monday to Friday between 9 o'clock in the morning and 5 o'clock in the evening. These are the best hours to trade. Of course, you can if you are going into, you make your homework on investing.com calendar and you see that there is no big volatility in the market, you can trade also on 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock in the night, and so on. I've tried this trading software also in the night, trading at 2 o'clock in the night, and I gained very good results. Now, from my experience, I know that this will take some time in order to close these trades, so I will be back to you with the results of today's trading session, and let's see if I will make the $20,000 profit. So stay here, don't go. I'll be back in 1 second. Alright everyone, so I'm back with amazing results with Crypto Master Bot 2 trading software, and as you can see here, all the trades are in the money. I remember that last trade that I made a video, I had only one winning trade and all trades there were out of the money, but there was also a profit. I made that comparison between Crypto Master Bot 2 and Beanbot Pro. I've made a comparison between forex trading and binary options trading. There was only one winning trade, and as you can see now, this is 100% winning ratio. So this is incredible. As you can see, I have $1,200 profit. I'm over $20,000 in profit starting today. So this is a big challenge gain for me. And let's have a look a little bit to investing, my investors broker, and as you can see here, the balance is reflected also here, $11,065 in profits, $11,065 profit, my balance. So that's it today's trading session. Let's have a look on US dollar Canadian dollar, which was a sell, $200 profit. Euro GBP sell, $200 profit. GBP Canadian dollar sell, $200 profit. New Zealand dollar US dollar sell, $200 profit. US dollar Swiss franc, it was a buy, $200 profit. And Swiss franc Japanese yen also a sell $200 profit. So that's it. If you want to use this trading software, I'll put a link below this video in the description area to be easier for you to try it, to use it on demo, and then if you decide, you can use one of these account levels from here. And if you have question, put the question below this video in the comments area. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. In this way you'll be notified every time I'm uploading new videos. So this was the video for today. I see you in the next video. Have a nice weekend. Bye.